In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on your Chevy Cruze. It's located behind your glove box. Now you're going to pick up your carpet and pull it towards you so you reveal the battery in the back. And now we're going to go to the rear seat. Right here on both sides, you're going to pull on the handle at the same time and pull the whole back seat forward. We're going to remove our negative battery terminal using a 10mm socket. You could also use a wrench if you wanted to. Going to loosen that up. And remove it. Open your glove box. And now we're going to take this panel off over here. Use a trim tool, plastic preferably. And you're going to pop this out. Like so, and remove it. We're going to take out these 4 bolts with a 7mm socket. I'm going to use an extension for this one down here. And now we have 2 on this side. And we're going to take out this last screw here. Remove that bolt. Now that you have all your bolts out, we're going to take this panel down. So get a trim tool, preferably a plastic one, and pull this away. So that we can take this and pull this up. I'm only going to pull it away slightly. There is a hook on this side of the panel right here that you have to go down and then out in order to get it out. After you pull this side of this panel out, just be careful not to crack it or break it. You're going to take your hand here and you're going to pull towards you and you're going to unhook it from up here. And on the other side, there's also a tab that you're going to pull out towards the door to unhook it. Here's the tab I was talking about. You're going to pull this away. And then the whole thing should drop out. Just make sure you don't get hooked up over here. And pull that away. Lower it down. Behind here, if you look in here, there's a door for your cabin air filter. Here's the door. You're going to pull that out. The one on the other side. And you're going to drop this down. So your cabin air filter, make a note of where the arrow is. It should be pointing up. And you're going to pull this out. Sometimes you might get a nest or 2 in here. Hopefully that's not the case. But as you can see, that's pretty dirty. Now we're going to insert our cabin air filter. Arrow up. Once it's in, you're going to lock it in. And now we're going to put it back together. Now let's slide this back in. Put this side in first. It should snap into place like that. Now we're going to put this panel back in. You want your glove box door to be open. You're going to see the slot where this hook goes, and you're going to push it in. Push it in, and then you're going to go in and up to lock it into place. Like that. Now you got to shut this door, and we're going to put this panel on. Make sure that these 2 tabs are lined up to go in there, and then just give them a good tap to put them in. And now we're going to put our bolts in. Going to get that bolt started, and then you're going to tighten it up. Let's open our door now, and we're going to put the rest of our bolts in. Now we're going to put our last trim piece on. Move this weather stripping out of the way over here and get that underneath and get that past this. And then we're going to press these fasteners into the slots. Make sure they're lined up before you press, because you don't want to break them off. That one on the bottom and this one on the top are the most important. The rest should line up after you get these lined up. Now you can shut your glove box. We're going to put our negative battery terminal on, slide it on, push it down, and you're going to tighten it up. Tighten it until it's tight and not moving. Now you could reinstall your carpet for your trunk. You're going to slide it into place. And you can fold your seat up. Move your seat belts out of the way. I usually stick mine where the door latches, just to get them both out of the way. And then pick up your seat and lock it in place. Pull out your seat belts. Put them back where they go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.